broke into the DDE headquarters, but you literally fixed it in like 5 days. So
absolutely.
We're so late for this flight right now. I'm gonna have you do a SETJET commercial as trade for them waiting for us. So please tell them all the good things about SETJET and the reason why we chose to fly SETJET from now on.
Well, SETJET, it has obviously amazing customer service. They just gave us a call because we're not on the flight and we're about 5 minutes from our flight time.
Yeah.
Their customer
Thanks to
service
Las
has been,
Vegas. Look at all this construction. Literally all of this construction right here. Everything is all messed.
Yes, yes it is. So basically SETJET is a membership-based system that you can fly on a private jet. Usually they do one ways, but obviously they do round trips as well.
You don't have to book the whole jet.
No.
You just book your seat on the jet. So similar to other private terminal flight services, you get to pay for only what you use. That is the best part about current basic trends with aviation. But out of Las Vegas to Southern California, Scottsdale, Cabo, Mexico. I'm actually going to Mexico tomorrow on SETJET. Salt Lake City. We have SETJET for our local area, right? Our region.
Now, they do have a national flights as well. So they go to New York, they go to Florida. I believe it's Palm Beach and Miami, out of New York. So they have a bunch of different locations and they're traveling and extending those locations here in the next coming months. But we're super excited to be able to partner up with them.
Anybody
and be able to do
can,
a bunch of cool stuff.
Yeah, but like anybody can.
Oh, anybody.
Anybody can fly with SETJET.
Absolutely.
How much was this flight from Vegas to Orange County?
$750.
So sick. And we're going on what plane?
$750. So we are going on a
Challenger 850. That's a big ass plane.
It is. So
for $750.
We booked our
How much
slots.
is the same flight with JSX?
Oh,
$719.
Yeah. Oh, $719.
I have nothing bad to say about JSX. I use JSX all the time, but JSX isn't the luxury travel service like SETJET is. If you got to get somewhere quick and you know you got to go today, sometimes JSX, just like Southwest, is there for you.
Yeah.
Right?
Absolutely.
So if you want that Southwest type experience.
Yeah, but if you want that personal experience, SETJET is the way to go.
Luxury experience.
Luxury. Not only luxury, but we paid for our 3 seats to get basically an entire private plane for us.
Yep. Holy get out of my way!
That's him.
You literally cannot have a better travel experience than the one that we just had. It's just so smooth, so chill, relaxing, everything about it. You get off the plane, the car's already waiting here. Go Reynolds hooking us up with a brand new Escalade. Not my favorite car to drive. Honestly, Tony, I think you guys picked the wrong one.
Yeah, it'll do.
I mean, we could have taken the S5 580.
Nope, they said that one wasn't available.
Why didn't you get us the M4 convertible?
I said absolutely not to convertible.
Are you drunk, Christian?
A little. I'm a little bit.
Are you drunk? He's drinking on the job. 3 shots of tequila on the plane, all provided for free. Oh, what a great experience. I think we know whose car that is. We're at the DDE headquarters, and well, bam. We broke into the DDE headquarters while nobody is here to get all of those parts right there. That is the missing pieces to, wait, oh, I thought that was the alarm, but it's really not. That was the missing pieces to the Murcielago. We're gonna go up there, we're gonna get these parts because we need to put the Mercy back together, Tony. Okay, cool. Yeah, I will, I'll get all this stuff loaded and I'll be out of here in about 15 minutes, okay?
Yeah, no worries.
Probably the same price I paid for your car with another 0.
$4 million?
Yeah.
Goddamn.
I mean, would I sell it between 3.5 and 4 million? Maybe. You know, it depends. It has to be the right buyer and the right deal for me to actually want to sell it, you know? We have the broken pieces right here, and around the corner, Ethan, come with me, all right? Over here, we have the stuff that came off of the car. We got an axle, suspension, we've got a whole bunch of stuff there. We've got everything in here from the front. There's a headlight, there's an engine cover, there's a new oil cooler. Here's the SV deck lid that is undamaged. So, Ethan, to the truck, sir.
Do I go to the truck now, or do I bring this with me?
All right, shout out to Damon's sponsor, Celsius, for hooking us up with the energy we need to get to our next destination, which is the actual Murcielago. I heard from my Ed that it is ready to be picked up so that we could get the body pieces removed so we can get them replaced and then send it back to him to paint. So that means he got all the structural stuff done. Ethan, are you serious right now? I would have had this done 30 seconds ago.
30 seconds. Huge difference.
All right, to King's Auto Body. I'm kind of sad to be back so soon. I honestly, like, I really wish that this would have taken a lot longer. But you literally fixed it in like 5 days. So
Absolutely.
I love Murcielago so much. This is like kid in a candy store for me. I have a lot of really cool cars, but these are like the best, most emotional cars that I've ever really connected to. And I've done a really great job of selling all the things that I've loved in my life.
Wow. Like, gonna keep this one.
And I'm so close to now being what I would call happy again with something that I really think is important, right? Some soul, if you will. And when I saw it at the first time, honestly, I didn't want to buy this car, right? Because I was like, oh, it's just another one, you know, like and then I saw it, I sat in it, I felt it, and I was like, I reminded myself of how really good it was, but it looked so bad,
oh my God,
right?
Yeah.
And now looking at it today, it looks brand new again. It actually looks better than new. It's perfect.
Man.
Tell me what you guys did.
So what we did, we straightened the frame, the whole top. It was moved almost 1 feet to one side. Ooh. We put it in the frame machine. We get everything back in spec. This one was almost.
And there was like
side.
there was some rust on that too.
There is.
You went and took care of that.
Of course. And then we chopped the whole front end, and then we welded it together too, so you can even tell it's been.
It looks so much better.
Yeah.
It looks so much better. It looks actually like possible to drive it again.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. And then the best thing is.
Yeah, it's the factory. It's the factory VIN plate. Normally when you get into a wreck in a car like this, because it's a tube chassis, you just cut them and replace them.
Yeah,
and you can't really save some of the original stuff because they're just cut into it. And obviously you guys did a great job. I'm going to be taking this car back to Vegas. We're gonna take the panels off, okay? So we're gonna take the car and we're gonna remove the fenders, right? We're gonna remove all this stuff so we can get the fenders replaced, bond those back on, and then we're gonna bring it back here for paint. So I just left Damon's office and we picked up the factory front, rear, all the factory bumpers, the side skirts. So one of them is in good condition and the other one is cracked.
Okay,
right?
You can fix that, yeah?
Easy fix. That one, honestly, if that was carbon fiber, it would surprise me.
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like fiberglass, but it's black, so I don't know. It could be carbon. Who knows? I'm sure everybody watching these videos, you guys all know more than I do. So please chime in and tell me why I'm always wrong. Right here is missing headlights, and I think one of them is broken. I think one of them is good.
Very sure it's this side.
It has to be this side because that one got destroyed, right? Because this fender is actually good.
Yeah, this one
right?
is in good shape. You just, you have to bond it back from this side.
Yeah.
There's a little crack right here. You gotta bond it from this side. Otherwise, it's in perfect condition. You shouldn't be. If you're gonna keep it original, you shouldn't replace this fender.
No, I don't intend to replace this fender, and I do not intend to replace this one either. I think this just is gonna come together and we're gonna put that together and that's what's gonna be there. So this side skirt on this side, I believe is the good one. Then we are going to bring it back here so you can paint these fenders. Yeah, the tail light's weird, you know, it's like,
yeah, I mean, this can't be fixed. So
I know.
it's not that bad.
I think this is okay.
Yeah.
We've got to go. Okay. I have a flight in like 30 minutes.
Oh, wow.
So I am going to thank you for your service.
It's a pleasure.
Okay. This has been the best body shop experience that I have ever had. And I literally, it wasn't even my accident. So I really feel like you guys should move to Vegas because you'll get a lot more work out there because there is no body shops in Vegas that do a good job.
I know.
Here it is. It's going back to Vegas. It's Memorial Day weekend, unfortunately. And my transporter was supposed to be here right now. And he called me on the way over here and said that he's rescheduling for Tuesday. Not tomorrow, not Sunday, not Monday, Tuesday. Yeah. So this car's gonna sit here till Tuesday. And I've actually got the parts. I was able to get my own truck to come up here and pick up the parts. So parts are already en route back to Vegas right now.
Do you need the old chop? The one we chopped it?
I would like the old chopped piece.
Okay.
But the other piece that's like
Yeah.
the one they bought and replaced, you can toss that one.
Got it.
The old piece, I think what I'm gonna do
Still have it.
is put it in like a really cool frame
Oh, yeah.
and then sell it as DDE merch. Hopefully I don't get a trademark infringement on that one. But yeah. No, I just think it'd be really cool. You put that front end piece right there. It's got the yellow one with a picture of the car. Stuff like that, like the fender, the things you don't replace. It makes really cool merch. So, well, brother, thank you so much.
No problem.
Okay?
It's a pleasure.
All right?
Yeah.
I appreciate
Enjoy
it.
it.
And I'm going to enjoy this car very much. Okay? You'll see it when you come to Vegas.
Sounds good.